Yo, good morning, Nicholas, Adam. Okay, we're here. It's day 2 of the rewire, and it's day 2 because day 1 there's a lot to do, and I didn't want to be wasting time with the camera. So, full rewire, 3-bedroom property, and yeah, it's been a bit of an interesting one because all the stuff like this that I quote is all done from emails and pictures and whatnot because I can't travel all the way up to Cumbria from my house to do a quote. So, it's been laminate floor everywhere, which has been our first difficulty, isn't it, mate? Because of this laminate flooring down, the couple have moved in. Lovely couple, by the way. Couldn't have done more for us. They moved out for the week, which is really good of them. The laminate floor is staying for as long as possible. It is going to get replaced. But because it's a raised floor, as you can see down here, what we wanted to do is go around, cut sections out that's actually below furniture so we can piece it back in and it's unnoticeable. The fuse board's in the cupboard under the stairs. We've been busy with chases. We've got picture rails everywhere, which is what the wooden strip is in each room. We have to make sure we don't damage that and go around. But I wanted to show you a few of the little things that we found which make no sense whatsoever in this house. So everything, and I mean everything, had an extension lead on it. It's going to be bright out here. So there's 2 extension leads here for a heater coming through off another extension lead that was there. I've cut them all off out the way. Coming outside, we've got M2 trunking that runs all the way around. God knows what it was for. So we've got some outside lights, which you might think, oh right, cool. But then if you look further and further at it, what it is a piece of wood with capping glued to it. You can see the bits come off here, which is next level ingenious, to be honest. So that's good of them. So that's all coming off, got to sort that out. Once again, piece of wood with plastic capping running across with some flex. And then we've got a JB outside with single exposed that goes round and round and round. Guard lighting, all this, everything's being cut off anyway, but we've got the cabling all running through the flashing. Sorry, I know the wind was bad, so I've come back inside. Through into the kitchen, we've got flat roof, customer's been a gem. I really need to stop drinking them, so if I do any more work for you guys, for subscribers, please stop buying them. I need to start drinking them. We've got JBs, trunking, just running everywhere, the sockets, switches, a hanging socket. Like, it's just, someone has added on to things. This is the flat roof extension, but if we go, oh, beautiful. I hope we're keeping that. So what Adam and I have been going, we go around, we're chasing out all the sockets where we need to go. There's one more down there. There's a lot of data points going in. There's lots of access points for ceilings, which is good to see, especially in that modern house. We start rewiring it, internet points. I'll go in a lot more. This is what we've done. We've picked the floor up in here, gone up, chased down. We've got 2 double sockets and 4 Ethernet points over here, 1 down there. And to top it all off, Rick, the UK Spark, I'll put all his channel links below. He's a member of my YouTube members, if that makes sense. And a WhatsApp group. He's also on YouTube as well, so I'll put his stuff down below. He's taken an hour out of his day, I think. Sorry, an hour journey to come and give us a hand this morning. I put on the group saying it's taking a bit longer than usual because of the laminate flooring, because the walls are so hard, and we get so many chases. He's going to come and give us a hand. So we'll see him shortly. We're going to get set up. We're going to make some noise for a bit, so I won't record any of that. And then once he turns up, we'll have a whiz around, yeah?
Yeah.
Can you get up and do something, please? I want to thank Trader 5 for sponsoring today's video. So, paperwork. We all hate it. I say we all hate it. 99% of us hate it. I hate sitting in the office. I hate doing quotes. I hate doing invoices. Sometimes it's taken me months in the past to do an invoice, to get paid. Sometimes it's been a bit too embarrassing to send an invoice in because it's been so long and I've not got paid for the job. I'm sure quite a few of you have been there with me with that. But it has taken the edge off it. There is a support team as well with Traderfy who are constantly updating the app. They're listening to people that are using the app and adding some new features. With a few new features are coming very soon, which I got the email for last night, which is a cool thing for Sparks. Hopefully you guys know now, after doing this for 3 years, I'm as honest as I can be on the videos. I won't ever recommend anything that's trash. I really won't, using my kids' phrase then on Fortnite. Yeah, so you can believe me, I use the app day in, day out. All my customers that I've worked for on YouTube all know this. They've all got the Traderfy emails for quotes and invoices as well. So go check the links out below. Give it a try, see if it'll help you like it's helped me. Right, it's a lot later on today, it's about 12. Big man's here, Rick, UK Spark.
Yeah.
I bigged you up big time a minute ago, mate, so you're very welcome. We'll have to, as we did to Jack and Sean, have to do a van tour, if you're okay with that.
Yeah.
Do you mind these showing the inside of your van?
No, you have a look.
Safe, completely empty.
Is it you? Is it you?
and the world, really.
And the world, yeah.
I haven't planned this out very well, and you know this, like we've said. I need to do all the chases. We just want to get all the dirty stuff out of the way and all the mess. And so there's not a massive amount for you to do. So they've been going around, Rick and Adam, putting some boxes in and whatnot. So I'll just show you what I'm doing. I'm just doing the last couple of chases in the office, and we're using one of the internal walls. So I've never seen this. Got brick wall to then lath and plaster. So whatever. But we were going to bring the cables because there's no airing cupboard. I was going to come straight up here, but I've just chased down and I'm going to use the studded work. You've disconnected them, yeah?
But they're both, I think there's two, so one of them does, they both come back to it.
But I've just used the chaser and this front was on. And there's a cable that's snipped off that runs through here, but there's actually, that cable is actually feeding this. So Adam's just disconnected the other side for us. Really, we should be turning stuff off to do it. But if we turn stuff off to do it, we can't use the chaser and the hoover. So
And the freezers.
and the freezers and everything. So disconnected that, we can turn it back on. All the flooring's going in here, but make a bit of a mess. We've been hoovering up as we're going around. This is the last room. We've got this here. What we've been doing, Adam's, if it's a singular double socket, Adam's been chopping it out really nicely, to be fair, on all the switches everywhere, doing a good one. But all the stuff I've been doing, because there's a lot of Ethernet points around and double sockets, we've just been using the chaser, running it all across. Makes life a bit easier and a bit quicker. We're going to put a bit of bonding in for the customer as well after. So as we start doing something that I can physically film, maybe putting some cables in this afternoon, I'll get some footage with Rick.
Not making noise.
And yeah, and that's the UPS now kicking in as well. Sweet, bro. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're here. We're going to find the hatch. So to get to, Rick will show you where the fuse board is, in my lovely assistant, in there, right down in the back. But annoyingly, if we were to bring the cables all the way up and over, we would have to go out underneath this floor to my chasing. That'd come up, across, all the way across, and then down to here. But still is a raised floor here in the kitchen. That is a flat roof extension, so that's now concrete. There's an access panel. We're going to pick this up. We're going to chuck Rick under there and we're going to screw it back down.
Yeah, not worried.
So yeah, we've got the uni lights. I'm going to have a look to see if it's possible to do the link over. We can then bring the socket up to wherever we want it, probably two in here, because we've got fridge, freezer, washing machine. And then as we want to, we can follow the water pipe down, across, and that'll be our kitchen feed. And that will be a 2.5 mil and a 6 mil, and somehow get the lights over as well. All in a day's work. Just pull the trigger softly. Right, easy peasy. Oh, for God's sake.
No!
Well, why has that been put down?
No!
I thought... What?
That's supposed to go though.
Reasons?
Is that floorboard underneath there? To go get a bar?
Oh, it's the old... Oh, we'll get Adam to do this. Oh, look how sticky it is. Oh, for God's sake. Well, why the hell would they put that down? Cheers, man.
Oh dear.
Adam, could put your hand on this.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
What have we done?
We picked this up thinking it was a hatch, and
Oh, what?
we got the mate. Look at the stickiness.
Did you grab it?
No, you look.
Let me see how sticky it is. Oh, it's not that
No,
bad.
touch this one then.
That's not bad.
Well,
It's because I'm covered in dust. It's not sticky.
down by the bathroom. We're trying to. The difference between my accent. Where are you from, mate?
Fleetwood.
Fleetwood.
So it's 7 miles up from Blackpool, but we don't.
From Blackpool?
Blackpool.
Oh, you're not a Blackpool man.
No,
Oh, okay.
No, but that's the place we don't go.
Okay. Yeah, the difference is Adam just said living room, and it's not a living room, is it? It's a.
That's the front room. You know that's front room, back room, not the lounge and the dining room.
Yeah, the dining room, the lounge, the toilet.
Well, we do call it the bathroom. We are a bit posh.
Oh, okay then. Lovely. We're going to... Oh, that's my makeshift blade. I've got a carbide blade somewhere. Whiz this up, so just give me a minute.
we've got the board up. It's not as deep here, but we can still, if you look at the phone, go over to the hallway. By the looks of it, we can hopefully get under the stairs where Rick is. He's just going to pull that one up for me. We can go a little bit to the right, but obviously then it becomes a dead end because that's where the floor ends. So sort of now we're getting somewhere. 99.9% of the chases are done. Work all the messy stuff out. I know we've said before with the electricians they like to. Do you run your cables first or do you chase boxes out, mate?
Chase boxes out first.
Yeah.
And then cables too.
Yeah. I know sometimes if you lay in the middle of a joist you need to adapt it a little bit, but I do find make the mess first 2 days, tidy up, sweep up, then get the floors up, and then you sort of onto a winner towards the end of the week. So yeah, now we've got that done, we can sort of look at the cable routes. Adam's had boards up in the back room, in the front room, the dining room, front room, living room. Oh God, I sound like you then. And then the last bit is the kitchen to make mess in. But because this kitchen's going to be staying just for a little bit until the customer changes it, we need to try and do things as neat as possible and as safely as possible while it's still being used when they come back here. So, because it's tiled and everything, the only thing is we bring cables to here, do what we need to do, and then sort of knock them out one by one really, bring the 6mm across. As soon as we get the cable over, we can get the rest of the house done, and even on the last day we could then mess around in the kitchen, but it's trying to get everything, the big bulky jobs done when you've got the most energy and the most time during the first few days, because you do start to flack towards the end of the week, especially Adam's who's over like 20 beers a night. Check, he's not. Stacey, his mum, he's not. Just joking. Right, we're in the process. We've cut all the stuff up over there. Like we said, we're going to get all our cable routes. The old Ricky boy has showed me something. And come on, mate. So what is it and where did you find it?
I call it a floor lifter upper, but it's not. I don't know the real name. I've seen this. David Saver used it. Getting your nails out of the floorboards, and it's just instead of prizing them up and splitting the boards, use that instead.
Well, you've just tried it for one. I've never ever seen it because Rich has given me this one. He said I can keep it, absolutely mint. And it's a sort of a small version of it. But he's just showing me how you use it, and I'm so impressed. Go on, mate. It's going to be delicious for everyone. So what you do is nail that down, pinches the nail, and then you pry it out. Look at that. That's off, by the way, guys. So don't show me for that. What a cool. How much was that then?
I think about 30 quid or something. But if you've got boards that are delicately split, or you're doing a long run, you don't want to be prizing it. Just go down, get someone to go down one of these, taking them all out, and you.
I think the more you use it, the more you get used to it.
Oh, you get quicker with it.
And the better finish. But yeah, so what a cracking idea. We're going to get this. Oh, it's not really connected to anything. I've cut it that side. We're going to pull a few more. But if I can, was it on Amazon?
Yeah, you'll be able to get it on Amazon. Yeah.
If I can find the link, guys, I'll put it in. But yeah, I'm going to have a go with it now. Right, a little last thing before we go and look at Mr. Rick's van is main bedroom. We've managed to get the boards up all the way across here. There's no wall because half of this is brick and then half of it is stud, or lath and plaster. The actual brick wall doesn't go through, it sits on the floorboards. So I can access this socket and this socket from that side, and I can rod all the way across to here. But. Adam, should we just have a little sneaky snoo under this this carpet here, mate?
Oh, what did you get? You already get it?
I've got it. Let's pick this nice carpet up and ready. Oh, look! Someone's put carpet on top of laminate.
Mint.
Oh dear, oh dear. Yeah, someone did half a job. Oh, soundproofing's pretty good though, isn't it, mate?
Yeah.
Right, let's go and have a look at his van. Unfortunately, these tools are going to have to go in the bin now because they're gross. And also, I've got all these delicious Velocity bags here, there and everywhere. And Rick decides to go and plonk his Vito Pro Pack stuff right in the middle. So I've actually killed him and chucked him in the bin. Sorry, mate. Right, we're here. It's a bit windy, so I'm going to stay in the van. But look at this, guys. Nice gym matting on the floor. Auto rack, never heard of them.
Yeah, they're good.
That's nice looking stuff, and you can lock it all, yeah?
Yeah.
Look at this, the breakers, bit of uni strut, upside down ladders. That's smart. Yeah, nice. Breakers, got all this. Fair play, mate. It's decent. It's a shame about these tool bags. Be completely honest, and the yellow stuff. But I'll let you off. Okay, and we've got a seat for Adam in the front. Yeah, nice, mate. Yeah, it's an auto as well. All right, we're switching vans. Get the wheels off mine quickly, mate. This, boys and girls, £25. Exactly. I was just saying to Rick, these exact ones that I had when I was a young boy.
It's a shame it's got some blue on the other side, on the lid.
I know
It's red.
Should be DeWalt, shouldn't it?
Yeah, well, no. In the bin. In the bin. This is what the van's like, empty, guys. Look at this. Delicious. Mine's black, so it looks nice, but I think it's time for a change soon, guys, if I'm being completely honest. It's I've had it for over a year now with all the racking. It's starting to fade a little bit and get dusty. So maybe it's time for an update. Let me know. Right, I'll say goodbye now because the microphone's outside. Thanks for coming, mate. Everyone go over to the channel, like, subscribe and all that jazz.
Buy 3, I'm going to use them. 25 use them all the time.
Adam's made a list of stuff we need from Screwfix.
Screwfix Sparky.
Screwfix special, as long as it's not CEF. Sorry, it's a bit of a strange one, guys. We've been doing 110 things, been having a chinwag in the background, and it's one of them. It's not the simplest of rewires that we've had recently. We've had a really few nice ones that have just gone really smoothly. This one's a bit different. We spoke to the customer about it with all the laminate flooring everywhere, the height of the ceilings, the picture rails, the coving that we can't damage in the lounge. Not this bit's fine. And the floor, and then the flat roofs. So yeah, it's one of them. Hit the button.
Hit the like button.
Smash the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care now. Bye bye then.
Boy.